Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction. Hi, how you guys doing? So I'm back today, guys, with another reaction video to the group CNCO. Yeah, yes. The group with Puerto Rican Poppy, Zabdiel, everyone's baby daddy, Richard, your best friend Christopher, your model friend Eric, and the bad boy Joe. How would that be Richard? I don't know, I'm gonna get something from the other three, but this is them performing live their song Tan Enamoradas at the Primero Lo Nuestro. Yes. I'll say it over and over again. My Spanish only take me so far to graduate high school. I must have did something right. So this is a live performance to the group, so let's see what they can be giving us. Joel, I love that hair, I love that curl, but I need give me color or something. Come on, and they're singing live. Ooh. Ooh. Love the color of the stage, love the all white. Oh my god, I love this era that they're going through.
Hey, vamos a ver si mi gente se sabe esta canción. ¿Cómo dice? Hey.
Yeah, what? Come on, Richard. Bitch. Richard. Yes. Yes. Let me get up for this. Come on, giving me dancer, stage presence, yes. Oh, they came a long way. Oh, they came a long way with this performance, stage presence. The dancers on the floor. Oh, they got the budget. Oh my god, they sound so good. Love that hair, Richard. Love that hair. Him and Zabdiel be giving me new looks. Yes. 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 Bitch. Oh my god, rewind that. I love for the claps. Okay. Yes, sorry, I gotta go back. Yes. Hey. Clap them hands.
Quizás te pueda preguntar qué le hace falta a esta noche blanca, a nuestra vida que han vivido tanto, que han visto mil colores, te sana, te sea.
Yes. Oh. Come through, old school. Old school. Child. They child. Everyone's singing tonight. Their live vocals like the rent is due. They got bills to pay. Yes, sir. Yes. Come on, sir. Go back in. Come on, sir.
¿Qué le hace falta a esta noche?
Okay. What is called Premio Lo Nuestro. I think is T-Mobile a part of this? It's likely, T-Mobile's everywhere besides giving us people good service. But that was CSCO perform, guys, live at Los Premio Lo Nuestro Tan Enamoras with Ricardo Montaner. Yes. I want to say thanks to the person who basically is keeping me up to date. Trust and believe me, I've seen the comment and you guys are posting, and I'm trying to react to as much as possible. But I really do appreciate the recommendation, the liking, subscribing, and comment. I really do appreciate it. I am getting liking. I am fond of this group. This group is very talented. I will say it over and over. This deja vu, you can see the creativity, and I think they have budget. And I believe their record label or their creative team or management gave them more creative control over this project. So we get to see what these boys and man can do, which I really do appreciate it. I recommend anyone to go out there and purchase their album. You may or may not like them. I don't really care, but you can give respect to art and their creativity, just the whole aspect of this body of work that they give. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.